MP Ndindi Nyoro now claims Turkana oil project has been personalized. Kiharu MP Ndindi Nyoro during a past address. Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro has called on leaders to put the interest of Kenya and its citizens above personal gain, warning against alleged attempt to personalize the Turkana oil development project.
Na kwa hivyo msikuje kupea wa Kenya kizugu mingi na kutaka kuongeza bei ya mafuta.
Kenya inatoa mafuta Turkana sasa, tukiongea hapa saa hii. Imeanza mikakati. But it is very wrong. It is diabolical that tunakuja maneno ya mafuta, Kenya inafukua mafuta. Badala ya Kenya kusaidika, watu tumepea kura waongoze, ndio wameenda kuweka ubinafsi. Ati mafuta ya Turkana sio ya Kenya, ni ya mtu. Hiyo kitu mtu anafaa kuwa very ashamed for putting their personal ambition in such a national issue.
Speaking while launching the real laboratories at Karaimaini Secondary School, Nyoro claimed that some leaders were treating Turkana oil ventures as a personal project instead of a national resources meant to benefit all Kenyans. He cautioned that the oil project must be managed in a manner that ensure its benefit are shared broadly across a country rather than serving the interest of a few individuals. It is very wrong and diabolical that instead of Kenya benefiting from Turkana oil, a section of elected leaders have become selfish and are now claiming that the oil from Turkana does not belong to Kenya but to an individual. Someone should be very ashamed for putting their personal ambition in such a national issue, Nyoro said. The oil from Turkana and Boma must benefit the people of Turkana and all Kenyans. Leaders associating themselves with the oil should put aside greed and put Kenya first so that the resource benefit the nation and not an individual. Subscribe EBK for more information.